Hi there, this is Timo, and here we have an Acer V792 Nitro Black Edition laptop. Quite a decent machine, quite a high performance machine in my opinion, but at least my opinion has a major flaw, an issue, which I'm sure I don't want to have all the time, and I'm going to show this to you. So what we have here is the laptop and my iPhone showing a real-time analysis of the sound spectrum, all the frequencies you can hear and as well the frequencies you can't hear, because the recording capabilities of my compact camera are maybe not the best at all. And on the laptop right now there is running a directory command scanning all the directories on the internal SSD, and the CPU load is at around 20%, and the fan is running at a low speed, but it is running and it is audible actually. So I'm going to place the iPhone on the laptop with a little bit of rubber. This would help. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit here just to give you the best image possible from the RTA analysis. As it's quite quiet here in the room, there is not much ambience or background noise, which is very good for us to have this non-scientific analysis done here. I'm going to stop the running command now. This will get the CPU almost into idle because there's nothing else running except the plain Windows. No virus scanners in the background except what Windows 10 brings to us. And the CPU should go almost down to idle, which will cause the system to cool down a bit. The fan is going to spin down a bit, and then hopefully to show it to you, it will start to vibrate or buzz or however you want to call this. So now we're going to start. So this voiceover recording has been added later. You might notice a spike in the area of around 400 to 500 Hertz. And this is from the vibration or the buzzing coming from the fan. So next I'm going to remove the rubber and place the iPhone directly onto the laptop and actually switch to a bar graph display. I'm gonna stop the directory scan now. Once the system cools down a little bit, you can see the spike in the area at just beneath 500 Hertz again. So I'm adjusting the bar graph. At 500 Hertz you can see the volume, the sound pressure level is actually higher than the rest. This is the buzzing or humming noise coming from the fan or caused by it. So this is exactly the result I expected. It's starting around 500 Hertz and the next bar is 400. So in about this range, according to this analysis here, which is a non-scientific analysis of a single unit, there is actually some kind of noise difference whenever the unit is running on a low fan speed. And usually I expect the unit on the low fan speed to be as quiet as possible, but this thing here seems to be annoying, more annoying on lower fan speed than on a higher fan speed. Additionally, to be clear, this is just one single unit. I'm going to return it to the seller because I don't want to have this issue. Maybe it's not bothering you at all. If you're running high performance loads all the time, you probably won't notice this. And if you are doing nothing with your computer, as the CPU went down right now. You can see it here. Frequency stepped down below 1 GHz. There's no usage, it's idle right now. It's saving energy, and the fan stopped.